Hello, Sharks. My name is Ria. I'm the CEO of Urban Bots, and we are going to share our innovation project, which we hope you'll invest your time and money in.
Hi, I'm Ryan, and I'm a consumer in Maryland. I was hoping to get my new PS5 for Christmas, and I got a notification saying that my package was being delayed 10 days.
This is our problem. Packages always get lost. They take time on the road and the amount of human labor. These all combined make this very ineffective for shorter travel, not to mention the environmental impact this has.
Hi, my name is Ira, and I am the marketing coordinator of Urban Bots. We wanted to see how much of an impact this had on the people in the community.
We asked the community about their thoughts and opinions, and we got hundreds and hundreds of responses, all across the road with similar issues.
Hi, I'm Aria, and I'm the first design coordinator. We learned that it took 2 days for the packages to be delivered, and delays are unavoidable, with 80% of the people saying that they have received their packages destroyed at one point.
Hi, I'm Homsney, the second design coordinator. After taking a look at the requirements and doing some research regarding the safety and success rates, we realized drones were the way to go.
We learned that cargo ships are $250,000 to $14 million, while cargo planes are $44 million to $77 million. This is definitely the most cost-effective choice as well, according to the Department of Transportation.
Additionally, we talked to professionals at the Amazon fulfillment centers, UPS delivery systems, and drone specialists to learn more. We knew we had to design a solution that's cost-effective and easy to use. We asked them what they thought about the design and how they would approach this idea. One worker from the Amazon fulfillment center said that they would start by asking the community about their thoughts and then implement it by doing research and then actually build after getting a specific design.
We took a survey asking people about their packages and how fast they were being delivered and what they thought about our idea. Most people agreed with the idea, saying that it would help when it came to cost and environmental impacts. We thought of this idea by thinking about transportation altogether and how it affects us in our daily life.
After brainstorming ideas, we got to thinking of the best possible solutions. One of our teammates thought of creating a dome. Another teammate thought of a different design that incorporated natural aspects.
Well, we came up with a simple design that to protect packages from natural circumstances, including rain, snow, and wind.
Each of us designed an idea that follows the instructions and requirements, and we shared our ideas and combined our ideas until we got a solution.
We got to our building and we went through multiple changes to improve our design to solve this issue. Always ensuring to take back on the requirements, trying to support innovative ideas that our members brought to the table.
I tested this design out. We saw some flaws. One, that it caught the wind. The second, that when the battery died, it would fall and break.
We worked through the issues, we updated our base model, and we worked to tweak the design. The drone weighs around 1 to 7 pounds depending on the package weight. The drone also has a battery life of 48 hours and has constant charging stations throughout times.
The design is shaped like an umbrella to protect the package, and they created a user-friendly attachable and detachable umbrella to protect the drone in the air. We created a design that turns any drone into a delivery drone using this simple design.
The plastic on this umbrella could be waterproof plastic. The elastic wire could be made of aluminum foil, since aluminum foil is a great insulator for heat. The string and rubber band can be a metal chain made from metal bottles.
The attachable section can be made of reusable corkwood. The foam tube could be a PVC pipe. Finally, the Legos can be made of a biocomposite material.
We researched about biocomposite materials, and they are composite materials formed by a resin, and they also have a reinforcement of natural fibers. Construction glue will be used to connect everything together.
The package will be covered in aluminum foil to keep it insulated.
We focused on improving the design and the usability of the design so that it can be used by any consumer at a low and affordable cost.
We shared our design with the community by incorporating it into our daily lives. We shared it through social media to reach a large community, and we got support to continue to implement new models. We hope to improve on this by creating an app to track the packaging around the world for users' compatibility.
We even use our drone to help deliver essential PPE equipment to our neighbors while they are suffering from COVID. They are very thankful, and the community accepted the design with open arms.
This model also helps decrease the amount of human labor needed. People can now spend their time ensuring that the package is safe for delivery. This solves our last mile dilemma.
All my problems are solved thanks to the Urban Bots team for all their support. I will go out today, purchase my very own delivery kit, and make my own drone where I can help the community.
I hope we can invest in our company